93 products I had to finish at the end of February. Let us see how I have done in March. Just the one makeup product, Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, all, yeah, gone. Past the 3-month mark as well. I like the brush. I don't think the formula is as good as the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, which is my absolute favorite right now. So I won't be repurchasing this. I actually had the full size of this at one point, which I bought for a GWP. Yeah, that's over now. I will be using up all the mini mascaras that I have, which I'm happy to get. Because, you know, I think buying full-size mascaras is a complete waste. And I do wish Essence would do minis, but it is very, very cheap anyway. And yeah, the results you get with Essence, you know, they're mind-blowing. So yeah, I'll be sticking to Essence, but I will be using all the minis that I have. Yeah, this again, you know, made my peach fuzz look like peach fuzz. End of. Yeah, onto skincare now. I have slowly been reintroducing certain products in my skincare routine. Not, you know, actives at this stage, but slowly been reintroducing 1 or 2 non-prescription, non-pharmaceutical products into my skincare routine. So yeah, the first one is a Nivea Purifying Face Wash. This was a drugstore purchase. Somebody recommended it as a very gentle cleanser. I disagree. On me, it did make my face feel very tight and sort of sore. So I won't be repurchasing it. I'm glad to see the end of it. Basically, you know, towards the end, I just used it up all over the body and finished it off. I didn't like it. It was too sore. There are far gentler cleansers out there when your skin is this sensitive. Yeah, the Ordinary Argireline is another one. I'm a huge fan of this product. I use it on my under eye areas and it helps with lines. So yeah, basically I have very dry, dehydrated under eye lines. Yeah, so I think this helps with them. And then above this I wear a nice thick eye cream, or go in with my regular skincare all over and then finish up with CeraVe moisturizing cream or whatever face moisturizer that I'm using. So yeah, will I repurchase? I think I've got 2 more. Toner, huge holy grail, 2 times a day on my face. Kikuma Samune Sake High Moist Lotion. Oh my god, I could kiss this. Skin savior, big hydrator, does everything, is not so gentle, calming, soothing, you name it. The thing is, this broke me out badly the first time I used it, before my skin went bonkers, before the skin microbiome changed, before all those changes happened post-vaccination. Until then, I was using this on my body. After that, my skin now can't get enough of this. It contains hydrogenated castor oil, people. It also contains sake ferment, rice ferment, filtrate thingy, a bunch of ingredients in that. So will I repurchase? I have ordered 3 of these things in December, Boxing Day from YesStyle, when they had that 15% code or something. Yeah, and then they gave away points, yeah, remember, to people, and I had some $20 worth points to use up. I mean, it was a giveaway. Every day you clicked the button and got your points. So, you know, late February, I made a very small haul of 2 Kikumasa's Mune Sakes. I've got enough for the rest of the year, definitely. I use it on my neck, on my hands and elbows because they're very, very dry, on my knees because they're very dry. Yeah, I apply moisturizer on top there after that body butter, and then on my face 2 times a day. Now, above that, I like another toner, a thicker toner. This has changed. Last month, I used up that COQ10 and collagen lotion from Japan that was thicker. I have used Hada Labo Premium in the past, will be using it in future as well. I also liked the Tony Merley Mochi and Ceramide toner, but this month I finished the Pink Annual Essence toner. I've got 2 more of these left. After that I won't be repurchasing because I'm moving on, you know. I think just Kikumasamune and something else is enough. I'm not too asked about what exact product it has to be. But apart from that, it's a very gentle, not at all so, very simple ingredients list. Hang on, let me just find that. Yeah, Astragalus membranicus root extract, hexanediol butylene glycol, which is in a humectant, methyl ether dimethylsilane, hydroxyethyl cellulose, carbamide, and arginine. That's it. Simple ingredients list, and nothing irritating, but, you know, very gentle on the skin. I did make myself use up a face mask this month, the Shantikai Bio Lifting Mask, which came in a GWP somewhere. It wasn't harsh on my skin, it wasn't gentle on my skin. It just, yeah, for me it did nothing. Did neither. The serum of choice that I used this month was the Maison Original Skin Energy Peptide 500, which is 45% peptides. The thing is, this was a rather oily, thick serum, so this went above Kiko Masamune and this thing for this month for me. And above that, I used my Vanny Cream Moisturizer. That was it. That was my routine. Nothing else. Yeah, this was a lipidic feeling serum, which wasn't sort of, I think it contains hydrogenated castor oil, which used to break me out in the past. It doesn't anymore. So I was happy with this. Will I repurchase? No. I think something else, you know. Or maybe I can even skip a serum. It's not necessary. Right, face moisturizer. I know I've gone on and on about CeraVe and Vanny Cream and Eucerin and so on. The thing is, in the mornings, I no longer wash my face. All I do is apply straight up SPF above a moisturizer, or a moisturizer with SPF if I'm staying indoors all the time. So this month, I finished up the Skin Laundry Essential Daily Moisturizer in the daytime beneath my SPF on unwashed. Yeah, I've got Vaseline on. Yeah, Last Step Occlusive. Or petrolatum, something with the, CeraVe moisturizing cream, something thick, or Vanny Cream. Lots of petrolatum on. And above that, I put this in the morning. And then my SPF, that's it. So I won't be repurchasing this. I think I can skip it, yeah, easily. With a bit more petrolatum, that's all that's needed. Now, Bath & Body. This is the Asana Rosehip Oil Repairing Body Lotion. I didn't take a break from Bath & Body Works. I'm still very much into Bath & Body Works. This one was a gift from my cousin, who's in Australia. This is a New Zealand-based brand. So she sent me this, gave me this when she last came from Australia. So I won't be repurchasing it. The essential oils, I don't really like essential oils. Yeah, hydrogenated castor oil is not an essential oil. This contained quite a few essential oils, which my skin wasn't very happy about. So I feel that it wasn't as hydrating, as thick, as luscious as, say, the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion on the body or something. Or even Vaseline body lotions on the body. It was very basic. I prefer Bath & Body Works. The fragrance is nice as well. So I will be sticking to Bath & Body Works now. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 products this month. That leaves me with 84 products to get through from April onwards until the end of the year. Will I get there? You will find out. Stay tuned. Do tag me in your Empties post or let me know what you have finished. I would love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.